Don't copy an affirmation. Build one. A good affirmation should come from what you want, why you want it, how it benefits you, and how you want to feel while experiencing it. Here is the process. Step 1. Identify your need. Everything begins with a need. Ask yourself, what do I want to change, improve, achieve, or become? Your need could be more confidence, better health habits, financial growth, greater patience, improved relationships, more discipline, emotional peace, career success, personal transformation. Write your need at the top of your paper. Example, my need. I want to become more confident. Don't write the perfect affirmation yet. You're identifying what you are working on. Step 2. Make sure it suits you. Before creating your affirmation, stop and ask, is this really what I want? This is important because an affirmation should be personal. Ask yourself, why do I want this? What would change if I achieved it? Does this goal matter to me? Does it fit the person I want to become? Am I choosing this for myself or because someone else expects it of me? You are making sure the goal is authentic. You don't want to build an affirmation around something you don't genuinely want. Step 3. Write your rough affirmation. Now, take your need and turn it into a simple affirmation. Remember, don't try to make it perfect. It's only your rough draft. For example, I am becoming more confident every day. That's enough for now. The important thing is that you have created a starting point. Now we build the affirmation. Instead of immediately repeating the affirmation, we're going to investigate the value behind it. Step 4. Find 6 key benefits. Ask, if I achieve this goal, what 6 major benefits will I gain? Write down 6. For example, if your goal is confidence, my 6 major benefits: better communication, greater self-esteem, less fear, better relationships, more opportunities, greater peace of mind. Don't rush this part. You're discovering why this goal matters to you. Step 5. Expand each benefit. Now we go one level deeper. For each of your 6 benefits, ask, what will this benefit give me? Take benefit number 1, better communication. It might give you greater clarity, better relationships, more confidence expressing yourself. Then take benefit number 2, greater self-esteem. It might give you more self-respect, greater self-belief, more willingness to challenge myself. Continue this process for all 6. Now you have 6 major benefits times 3 additional benefits equals 18 benefits. This is the point where your original goal becomes much deeper. You aren't simply saying, I want confidence. You now understand what confidence would actually give you. Step 6. Use the body map. Now we move from the mind to the body. Look at your goal, your affirmation, and your 18 benefits. Then ask, if I already had this, how would I experience it in my body? Slow down. Imagine yourself experiencing the goal. Notice your breathing, your chest, your shoulders, your stomach, your face, your posture, your hands, your overall sense of energy, areas of relaxation, areas of tension, feelings of warmth, lightness, calmness, strength, or openness. You are creating a body map of the desired experience. The question isn't, what am I supposed to feel? The question is, what do I actually notice when I imagine having this? That distinction is important. Step 7. Rebuild the affirmation. Now you have 4 pieces of information: your goal, what you want, your 6 benefits, what the goal gives you, your 18 deeper benefits, why those benefits matter, your body map, how you experience the desired state. Now go back to your rough affirmation. This time improve it using everything you've discovered. Your first affirmation might have been, I am becoming more confident every day. But now you understand that confidence means expressing yourself clearly, trusting yourself, respecting yourself, feeling calmer, communicating better, becoming more willing to take opportunities. So you can begin transforming the original statement. For example, I am becoming increasingly confident, calm, and comfortable expressing myself. I trust my thoughts, value my voice, and communicate with greater clarity. I feel more relaxed and self-assured as I allow myself to speak openly and confidently. Now the affirmation has depth. Step 8. Test the affirmation. Don't immediately declare it finished. Read it slowly. Then ask, does this sound like me? Does this represent what I want? Does it connect with the benefits I discovered? Does it create the kind of feeling I want to experience? Can I see myself growing into this? If something doesn't feel right, rewrite it. An affirmation doesn't have to be perfect on the first attempt. You're building it. Step 9. Create your final affirmation. Once you've worked through the process, write your final affirmation clearly. And remember, the final affirmation is not where the process begins, it is where the process ends. If you're new to this channel and you like this type of content, reach out, like, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Thanks for watching.